Okay, now I'm starting with difference formula of 2 square. Difference formula of 2 square formula I will apply in this. How I come to know that I will apply this formula? Now you can see that not whole square is given to you. In the previous sums they were giving you like this. This is the whole square term. This is the whole square term, and therefore I was applying whole square formula whether they were giving in plus or whether they were giving in minus. So in both the cases whole square was given to you and you were applying a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. Now in this you cannot see any whole square. Only one term is given in square, and this is also a square number. If you come to know that this is also a square number, have you thought which square number is this? I think so, yes, you have thought. Okay, so let's see which formula you will apply. What was the formula? You have to learn these formulas. Okay, I'm saying again and again, you have to learn these formula. I will apply a square minus b square formula, which is equal to a plus b, product of first term, product of second term. Okay, then a plus b minus b, it is equal. Okay, I will recopy my original sum, which was like this: 64 minus 16a square. Now I will find which square number is this. It is square number for 8. So I can write like this, because I have to see this, I have to bring it in this form, a square. I have to bring this in the form of square. So therefore I will find the square number for this. Okay, I have to find down the square number for this, then only I can apply this formula. Otherwise I cannot apply. If simply I will write 64 square, 64 square means that 64 multiplied by 64. So this will become wrong. I have to find out square number for 64 so that my original question remain at its place. Now it is as its place. How? That 8 8s is 64 minus second term square, with square number of 16 is 4a square. So check back that it is giving you the original number in your question or not. So 4 4s is 16a and square. 4 4s is 16a square. It is giving me minus sign is there. 8 8s is 64. So my original question is at its place. Now what I will do, it says that a plus b, and you have to write a plus b. So how you will write? Instead of a, what number is given to me? 8 is given to me. Plus sign comes first, so I will write plus over here. 4a you will write instead of b. Then a minus b. A minus b, again a, 8 is given instead of this, minus is the formula, and 4a second term. So this is your complete answer. Very easy. You just have to find out the square number and then you have to apply the formula as it is. Okay, I'm doing one more part with you. Okay, now I'm doing L part with you, and then in the end of the video I will tell you that which parts you are supposed to do. Again, which formula I should apply over here? I can see that whole square is not given to me, so again difference formula of 2 squares will be applied. So difference formula of 2 squares is equals to a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Copy the question back. Now again I will find the square number because I require square number to make it square. So it is 3a square minus 6 square. Check back your question that it is giving you the original question or not. 3 3s are 9 a square. It is giving me the same thing, minus 6 6 are 36. It is giving me same thing. Now apply the formula. A plus b. You have to write a plus b. So a, instead of a given 3a plus is a formula, instead of b given 6. Instead of a given a 3a minus, instead of b given 6, and this is my answer. Very easy, very simple, and therefore I'm not doing all the parts. These are the parts which you are supposed to do. G and H will apply perfect square formula. J, K, M will apply this difference formula. Okay, G and H you will apply perfect square minus formula, and J, K, M you will apply this difference is 2 square formula. Okay, I hope this is clear. Still, if you feel any problem, any difficulty, you feel free to contact me. Thank you. See you. Goodbye.